Here, before I get this installed, I wanted to show you a quick unboxing of the DEFEWay, I think that's how you say it, 8-channel video security camera. So the box, just a standard box it comes in. Let's see inside here. We have an instruction manual and all the cables that come with the system. So here's the manual on how to set it up. It's pretty detailed on how you should run all the wires and how it should be set up to the DVR. So it's a pretty, like I said, detailed instruction manual, and it is in English. So there's that. Inside we have all the cables that you're going to use to connect to the cameras. And I believe they are fairly long, but you have quite a few of the cables as seen here, so it's one for every camera. It's all bundled in here. We have a couple of power supplies. So there, I'm assuming, are the cameras. And then here we have the DVR. DVR comes enclosed in this foam bubbles to help protect during transportation. Here it is again with its buttons here and menu and whatnot. And in the back we have all the inputs for all the cameras, and they're all numbered 1 through 8. We have the audio in cables, an audio out, VGA port, HDMI port, 2 USB ports for a mouse or maybe keyboard, the power source, and an Ethernet cable. Now this one is fairly light, seeing how it is missing the hard drive. But hard drive is simple to put in. Simply take the screws off and you pop that in. So that's the DVR, and in here we have a remote, a mouse, and its power supply. So now onto the cameras. I said this is the 8-piece set, so there's 8 of them in here. Inside we have some mounting screws with anchors. And here's the camera itself. You adjust the camera by turning the Phillips screw here, so it allows you to move it up and down, and I believe that's all the movement it has. So it doesn't have any side movement, it's just up and down. So keep that in mind when you consider where you place it. And then we have the connections for the video and audio, or sorry, the video. It's the video and the power. Lens, we got the lens. It's a glass lens, and the lights for the night vision. All metal construction. But that's pretty much it. I just want to do a quick unboxing before I get these installed of what's all included in this package.